Hello dear students. In this video we are going to discuss about isotopes and isobars. Have you heard about them? Yes, you have. Let us explore more. Most of the elements have a number of atoms which have the same atomic number but different mass numbers. Such atoms of an element are called isotopes. So we can define isotopes as the atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but different mass numbers. Why is it so? Why isotopes have same atomic numbers? Because the isotopes contain same number of protons, or we can say same number of electrons. So we know that the number of electrons is equal to protons and it is always equal to the atomic number of that atom. Why they have different mass numbers? So isotopes have different mass numbers because they contain different number of neutrons. So we can say that the isotopes of an element differ in the number of neutrons in their nuclei. Let us take an example. We are taking the example of chlorine atom. All chlorine atoms have number of electrons equal to number of protons, that is 17. Or we can say the atomic number of the chlorine atom is 17. But when talk about neutrons, some atoms have 18 neutrons or some atoms have 20 neutrons. So chlorine has two isotopes according to this. So chlorine have these isotopes because their mass number is 17 plus 18. Here we know that 17 is the number of protons and 18 is the number of neutrons and the mass number is 35. For the second isotope we have mass number equal to 37 because there are 17 electrons and 20 neutrons. In tabular form we can see that first isotope of chlorine has 17 protons and 18 neutrons and its mass number is 35. In the second isotope, we have protons equal to 17, 20 neutrons and the mass number is 37. So let us explore them diagrammatically. Diagrams of the two isotopes of chlorine are given below. Here you can see that there are 17 protons and 18 neutrons. And in the second isotope, we have 17 protons and 20 neutrons. Let us talk about isobars. In some cases, the atoms of different elements having different atomic number but same mass numbers. Such atoms of an element are called isobars. So isobars can be defined as the atoms of different elements having different atomic numbers but the same mass numbers. Why is it so? Isobars have different atomic numbers because different elements with different number of protons in their nuclei. They have same mass numbers. Total number of nucleons, that is protons plus neutrons, is same. So we can say their mass number is same. In this table we are discussing isobars. So the example is argon and calcium. Argon and calcium are isobars. Why? Because argon has number of protons equal to 18 and it has 22 neutrons. We can find out the mass number by adding protons and neutrons, that is 40. Similarly, for calcium we have 20 protons, 20 neutrons and the mass number is also 40. So they have equal mass numbers but different number of protons. Accordingly, we have diagrams of these two isobars, argon and calcium. We can draw their diagrams also. So, if we find out the differences between isotopes and isobars, we can say isotopes are different atomic structures of the same element, but isobars are the elements which have the same atomic mass. Atomic numbers are equal, but atomic masses are different in case of isotopes. But in case of isobars, atomic numbers are different, but atomic masses are equal. Physical properties are different in case of isotopes, but isobars have physical properties are often similar. Thank you.